In this video, I will show how to add header in first page only in Microsoft Word document. So click on this header area. Now insert your header area what you like and select here different first page. Now click anywhere in your document. So this is your header area, and once you get another page, so you will not see the header. It's appear here. So again click here, double click and select different first page. And remove from here. Click anyway. So now once you increase the pages, so only just we have the header in first page.